Look, we all want to save time. We want to work less, play more. Sometimes it's by doing little tiny things throughout the day that can save us time. Like when you want to format a document, you spent time, written it, now it's time to format it. That always takes longer than we expect. So we use a little bit of some tips to save us some time. One of them is to copy and paste your formats, and then you can apply them throughout the document. There's more tips coming soon as well. So I've got a document here, and you can see I have heading, and I've got some text that's a little different than others. I've got paragraphs that's different. So all we do is we use this paintbrush. So you're just going to select, I'm just going to double click to select, and then I use the paintbrush. You can see it's in this little one here, or I can use that one there. And then I just highlight, and that's it. It's done it. But what if I would like to apply that to multiple places? You select it, and instead of single clicking on this, you double click, and then I can just click on different words, or I can highlight different areas. Now it stays on until I press escape, or I can click on the icon again. This works, it copies things depending on what you've actually selected. So I'm going to select the entire paragraph. So that's a triple click. So click 3 times, and then I'm going to double click on this so I can apply to multiple. And then I can click, and it pastes my format. Okay, and then I can just press it again. Do the same to this one. Now if I just press it once and highlight or click, it will just apply it once and then turn it off. So if you want to apply and paste once, just a single click. If you want to apply it to multiple items, then you double click, but then you have to turn it off. Great. If you found this video useful, helpful, or informative, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you want to encourage me to continue to do more, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye for now.